A worldwide health crisis is affecting everyone, killing people, causing hardship and disturbing people's lives. But this isn't just a health emergency. It's been an economic, social, and human crisis. Society has been significantly impacted psychologically and socially by the COVID-19 pandemic. The research highlighted the effects on the psychological health of the most exposed populations, such as children, college students, and healthcare professionals. These populations are more likely to experience post-traumatic stress disorder, anxiety, depression, and other distressing symptoms. Social distance and security measures have impacted the interaction between people and their experience of empathy for others. Hello, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to share 8 tips on how to meet people and make friends in 2023, because now the world has gradually recovered from this pandemic, and it's essential to meet new people and make friends to lower the anxiety, depression, and other distressing symptoms. Today, we'll be talking about the key strategies for meeting new people. So let's get started with the video. 1. Make yourself available. You must put yourself out there in some way to meet people if you want to make friends. People might approach you if you sit by yourself, but that's unlikely because they might assume you like to be by yourself. Sit with other people, for instance, if you're still in school. Try to pick a table with at least 2 other individuals, if it's manageable. Remember that friends don't usually knock on your door when you're working on your laptop at home. Take advantage of your chances to get out there and interact. Try attending social events at work or school, for instance. Accept an invitation to a party if you receive one. 2. Try to connect with people you already know. You probably already know a few individuals who have the potential to become close friends. Think about attempting to build relationships with your coworkers, classmates, or even users in your social media network. If you're a parent, you could get in touch with the other parents of your child's classmates. You can meet some new adult friends by organizing a play date for the children. 3. Look for opportunities to talk to people. If you don't genuinely talk to people, it doesn't matter if you join a club, attend school, or attend church, you still won't establish friendships. In the same way, being social doesn't require membership in a group. You can make an enduring buddy every time you speak with someone. Don't worry about saying anything particularly noteworthy. Strike up a casual conversation by saying something like, "Isn't it a beautiful day?" or "That is a great shirt," and see where it goes. You may converse with anyone, even the video shop clerk, the person sitting next to you on the bus, and the person in line ahead of you for lunch. Avoid being overly picky. Good manners are essential. Simply saying, "Good morning, how are you?" as you pass, someone will have you talking to them. By just extending a welcome, you make an effort to appear amiable, and others are more likely to take you seriously. It's an excellent method to start interacting with others. 4. Join an organization or club to meet new people. This is an excellent method to meet others who share your interests. Making friends with someone can sometimes require having a lot in common with them. Even those friendships between 2 people who don't share much in common can be quite fulfilling. However, if you have a particular interest, consider looking for a place where you can find others who have it as well. You may, for instance, join the school's scientific club, the marching band, a knit circle, or any other group based on a common interest. Consider joining a band or choir if you can sing or play an instrument. If you're sporty or want to try something new and challenging, joining a sports team is a great option. A church, mosque, temple, or another place of worship is an excellent place to start if you're religious, because everyone inside will, at the very least, share the same beliefs as you. 5. Keep the conversation going with small talk. Ask questions and share a little about yourself to keep the discussion going if the other person appears interested in doing so. It doesn't have to be meaningful or highly intimate. It's crucial to demonstrate your ability to participate in the conversation and listen while doing so. People love to brag about how amazing they are and how great they look. You'll become an attractive friend if you listen more than you talk. You can demonstrate that you're paying attention by smiling, maintaining eye contact, and responding to what they say with questions or comments. If the other person describes their profession, for instance, you could respond with something like, "Oh, cool, how did you end up there?" 6. Ask them out for lunch or coffee. You'll have a better chance to converse and learn a little bit more about one another as a result. Please give them your email or phone number and invite them to join you for coffee at some point. This provides them with a chance to get in touch with you. In exchange, they might or might not offer you their information, but that's all right. Saying, "Well, I've had to go, but if you ever want to talk over lunch or coffee or anything like that, let me give you my number or email address," is a friendly approach to extending oneself. If you offer a particular time and location for the meeting, the other person will be more likely to join you. For instance, you could remark, "Hey, it was great conversing with you today. Would you like to meet up on Saturday for coffee and a muffin at the Bagel Palace?" If inviting them to a one-on-one get-together feels awkward, think about asking them to a group event instead, like a party or movie night. 7. Be open. You could occasionally have preconceived ideas about the kind of friend you want. A person with compatible interests, listening skills, hobbies, movie tastes, educational background, etc. Then you isolate yourself when you meet the individual and learn that they're different from your expectations. Avoid doing that. Give the relationship time to develop. More importantly, give this developing bond a chance and believe in yourself. I have several really close friends that come from entirely different backgrounds. Because of how different we are, I never would have imagined that we would be so close when I first met them. Given our diverse backgrounds, many of my ex-clients are folks I would never usually complete, but we get along great, much like old friends. 8. Make the effort to stay in touch. Friendship must be continually maintained at the end of the day. Great friends can be differentiated from goodbye friends with their willingness to put in the effort. Ever so often, ask your friends out. Depending on the strength of the friendship, catching up once a month or once every few months may be acceptable. There's no need to meet up every few days or once a week. The frequency of your meetings does not indicate how strong your relationship is. We only get together once every few months with some of my closest friends. However, there's never any question that we're connected and that we'll support one another in times of need. Finding time for each other could be challenging if you both have your own schedules of obligations. Plan a brief meeting, perhaps over lunch, tea, or dinner. Alternatively, you may also catch up with phone conversations, internet chats, or text messaging. It's challenging to avoid staying in touch now that communication is so simple, thanks to technology. We discussed a variety of methods for making new friends, but there are more approaches you can try. You don't have to isolate yourself if you're shy or an introvert, because you can expand your circle no matter how easily you meet different types of people. These friend-making strategies can help you relax into putting yourself out there. You can enjoy sharing your interests and hobbies with others by meeting new people, which will help you make lifelong memories. So that's about all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon on your way out to see more amazing videos. See you all in another video. Take care of your good health. Goodbye.